When your 10-inch-core SAGAX LUX arrives, it comes without any attachments on it. And it comes that way on purpose so you can find the best ride height adjustment and ride location for your body. So go ahead and take the holster and the gun. You can add the camming bars first if you want to and play with that. But go ahead and slide that into your waistline and kind of move it left and right and up and down and let it find its home position. Wear it around in the evening for a couple hours, sit down on the couch, tie your shoes, do whatever you need to do to let it find the most concealable and comfortable spot. Once you have found that spot, go ahead and get a pencil, and you want to mark kind of a horizontal mark to show the ride height location. And if you have a belt loop or anything like that, you can run vertical marks to show where that falls. Once you have that marked, you can then take your T1 clips and attach them to the holster and just line up the top bend on the clip with the horizontal line on the holster, and that should give you the correct ride height distance. If you have a clip that interferes with any of those vertical lines, so right here I barely do, so this would force me to wear these pants, and a double clip setup would force me to wear maybe 1/8 of an inch further out than might be optimal for me. So you can decide whether or not you want to run a single clip or 2 clips, and then which position if you run singles. So that's how initially to set up your 10-core SAGAX LUX.